Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mrs. M, and today I wanted to talk about getting paid now. There are so many cleaning companies that are on the verge of going out of business because they have not been able to get paid. And especially with the environment now, if you've done cleaning for a current company, it may be a challenge getting paid. So you want to make sure that you're very aggressive on following up with invoices that for work that you've already performed. You want to make sure that you have a close relationship with the accounting department that actually makes sure that you get paid, and always invoice as soon as you do your first week of service. Now, in the cleaning industry, it's always been said that you have to wait net 30 days before you actually get paid for your services. So a lot of times what will happen is you'll work for 30 days, service the company, do your payroll, buy your equipment, do your supplies, and you will find yourself with very little left at the end of the month for any profit or any expenses for your overhead. So why and how do you combat that? One of the ways is to make sure you get paid like the cable companies up front. Get paid before you actually do the services. There is nothing that states you have to wait 30 days before you actually get paid. But it is a challenge to convince someone to provide you with the money before you actually get started, but it's not a challenge for them to want you to provide the service before you get paid. Isn't that quite interesting? But there's a way you can make sure you get paid before. I always like to say, in this industry or any business, but specifically in a service industry, you have to have the right customers, the right team, the right money, and that includes having cash flow. One of the biggest reasons why businesses go out of, why so many businesses end up going out of business, especially services, whether it's cleaning services or any other, but cleaning services are because you have to wait so long before you actually get paid. And so few customers realize how challenging that is to provide the best payroll for our actual staff on our team, the best equipment to make sure you ensure that they're well trained, all on a small business's budget while you're waiting 30 days, sometimes 60, and they'll even push it out to 90 days before you receive. So if you want to learn more about how to get paid up front like the cable companies, then make sure that you tune in for our free webinar on starting or growing a profitable, successful cleaning business. We start from showing you how to select your name all the way through invoicing your first customer to actually growing a successful, profitable cleaning business. Right now, cleaning companies are in demand, so if you've ever been on that edge wanting to know should you or shouldn't you, start with the free webinar. And like I said, join us. Look at the link below. Register now. It is live, so we have limited space, but make sure you register, and we'll look forward to seeing you then. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.